5, 4,
When the future
3,
arrives,
2,
you don't just see
1,
it,
0.
you feel it.
Liftoff.
And isn't that why you're watching this? You're on the hunt for the next big thing. That glimpse of the future. And just when you think you've seen it all, you find yourself getting the feeling you've just discovered the future in the making.
Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Ed.
And this is Otherworld. Otherworld is one of the UK's most popular VR destinations, transporting thousands of guests every month into a parallel universe. Think you already know virtual reality? Think again. Just step into your immersion room and we'll transport you to an island paradise where you can explore the world's best virtual reality experiences together. And you don't just see the action, you feel it too, thanks to our unique multi-sensory tech. From soaring around the Earth to decapitating killer robots, the experiences range from the educational to the exhilarating to the downright absurd.
Play as a team or settle old rivalries by topping the leaderboards, and then use points earned in-game to buy more VR time. Or, if you feel like it, a round of drinks from our premium cocktail and craft beer menu.
Sorry, who are you?
Behind the scenes, we have some of the most talented artists, developers and designers in the game. It's their job to make the impossible possible, constantly innovating with new content and features to give our guests what they want.
But the important thing is, guests and critics alike love Otherworld. We've had rave reviews in the press, industry-leading customer satisfaction scores, and thousands of 5-star reviews.
We've bounced back from lockdowns stronger than ever, raising a £2.9 million Series A from some of the UK's leading venture capital investors.
Edge led the Otherworld Series A fundraising round because we believe their concept has the ability to define a new entertainment format in a rapidly growing area. The team has the creative vision and the proven operational skill to continue to grow this format in an emerging area at the intersection of creativity and technology. They're ready to scale, and Edge is excited to be able to support them further in this funding round.
With this substantial investment, we've scaled our proven concept, opening a stunning new location just 2 minutes from Britain's second busiest train station. We've continued to bring in top creative, technical and operational talent to our now 57-strong team.
We've just broken ground on our biggest site yet, and one of central Birmingham's hottest locations. The national takeover has begun.
So far this year has been the most exciting of our lives, but it's not over yet. We want to give you the chance to claim your piece of the future, right up alongside the top VCs and angels who are making this growth possible.
With your investment, we're scaling even further with 2 new UK sites, more than doubling our capacity again.
And we're launching our international franchise program to take Otherworld global.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The future is here. Don't miss out.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.